Hello! Good evening again. Ngayon, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay ang divided by 5. The divisor is 5. Now, this is E.S. Claverrias techniques for pupils who cannot memorize the basic facts. So, no finger counting. 10 divided by 5. If you will divide this, you will just double the tens. You must ignore this. You don't need to include this 0. Right? 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. We come to 20 divided by 5. Double the 2, or the tens. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. We have 30 divided by 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. We come to 40 divided by 5. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 40 divided by 5 is 8. We have 50 divided by 5. Double 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So, 50 divided by 5 is 10. Now, we will have 5 ones. Example, we have 15 divided by 5. This time, we will include these ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you round it off, it will become 1. So, 5 is 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus 1 equals 3. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 has an equivalent count of 1. So, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus 1 equals 3. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. We come to 25. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. We have 35. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Last is 45. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Plus 1 equals 9. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. So, very easy. That's all for tonight. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.